The P0325 code in the Honda Accord, in every engine of Honda Accord, is a very common problem for high mileage vehicles, and in 90% of cases this problem is connected with the engine knock sensor. It's not the situation when the engine knock sensor registers engine knocking. It's not the situation, and a lot of mechanics will try to solve the problem of knocking when they see the P0325. But the problem is not with the knocking engine, the problem is in the electrical circuit of the sensor. So this is a problem with the sensor or the wiring. And when it comes to the sensor, actually the sensors are pretty reliable, and in my Honda vehicles that I had, they lasted just for entire lifespan of the car. But sometimes they fail, and there is no obvious reason why, they just fail. If you want to replace this sensor, you will want to buy it new OEM, because non-OEM sensors will not live even 1 year, and you will again need to pay for labor to replace it. While in some engines, like the 2.4 liter engine, this sensor is located near the starter. In other engines, like 2 liter engines for example, this sensor is located under the intake manifold, and it's not that easy to get to it. You can actually find manuals on the internet and replace this sensor on your own, but it's not that expensive job in the independent shop or even in the dealership. So yes, in 90% of cases you will need to replace this sensor and everything will be okay, but there is this 10% chance that you have the problems with wiring, and you may need to inspect the wiring first before you replace the sensor. This is the rodent problem, water intrusion problem, and just old wiring that can get corroded. You need to check the connections and the wires, to track the wires before you buy the new sensor. Actually, I would go to the dealership and ask them to do this job, because when it comes to wiring and electrical systems in modern Hondas, this is not the DIY job at all.